Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have admin rights, enough disk space, and the exact installer version. Once those basics are verified, reproduce the error and immediately capture the Bootstrapper log file for analysis. Open an elevated command prompt and run the installer with logging enabled. This gives you the raw data to diagnose. Make sure to note the timestamp and any error code. That context speeds up the next diagnostic steps and prevents guessing. You now dig into the logs and look for specific error codes, missing DLL names, or permission-denied lines. If you see system file issues, run sfc/scano and dism commands to repair core components. This resolves many Bootstrapper failures. Once system integrity is confirmed, rerun the installer in safe mode or with antivirus disabled to rule out interference. If a missing dependency appears, download the exact runtime or redistributable and install. You finish by running the installer one more time with elevation and full logging, watching for progress and new errors. If it still fails, isolate the problem by testing on a clean user profile or virtual machine. That helps confirm whether it's environmental. Make sure to collect fresh logs from the failing attempt and compare them side by side with a successful installation log to pinpoint differences. If nothing else works, recreate the issue with minimal services and report the specific error codes to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.